We're doing wiper blades on a MK7 GTI. I know these can be confusing because when you first go to do it, you can realize this hits the hood when you try to lift it up. But the Germans came up with an ingenious park position to change wiper blades. To do that, we put our key on, then we turn our key off, and then we hit the wiper blades down one time. Now you can lift your wiper blades up like this to change them. And what you're going to do is push in this button and slide it out this way. So push in, slide out. Now, be careful, because if you smash this down your windshield, you're going to be buying a new windshield. Don't do it. Easy trick to these, push the button, it'll pull forward and then rotate it downwards, and then you can pull it out. Now from the factory, I think they should be changing these wiper blades once a year. You haven't changed yours in 3.5, so you better go get some. Check out our site, shopdap.com, where you can buy these wiper blades. I know it's been a long time. Don't pretend like it hasn't. To take it out of park position, all you have to do is operate your wipers again. Done.